Gabby Vargas from the Glitter Girls. So how's it hanging? What's on the flippity flop blue? Here is my dog Daisy. Daisy, come here, baby. I have a treat. And then here's her trying to get a fly. Sorry about that. Chase is just a little cray-cray today. But enough chit-chat about days. Let's show us our other star, Beto. He's my little winning prize. He's the cutest on the block. And he tries to eat as much plastic as he thinks. Now there's Days, wishing her every wish. Trying to kill. That fly is an issue. Well, I think our next view is Beto. He's a cute little rat, but let's open some blinds because he is not as, his fur is a little bit darker than Days. So let's just open some blinds, and I'm going to show you what Days looks like. 1, 2, 3. Well, what Beto looks like. There's Daisy up close, and you can actually see her in the light. She's cute, right? Like a little monkey. There's Beto. Trying to... And then there's my brother, Nick. You're on TV. Nick, what are you doing? Sorry about it. Beto! Give me that blanket. He's very tough. He tries to kill you for a blanket. And then there's sweet little Daisy that comes into the fight. Well, this has been all for today. See you later on Gabby Vargas and the Glitter Girls. Wow!